Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 7:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday, August 23rd, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Biggar, including Biggar and Springwater. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore, and Kindersley, Rosetown, Biggar, Wilkie, Macklin.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 19h32, heure normale du centre,